What's up, YouTube? Thank y'all for the likes, the comments, and the views. Just wanted to tell y'all that I've been sick. Sorry I haven't uploaded. I hope y'all had a happy New Year's. And right now we will be doing a high fade tutorial. Right now I'm just gonna brush the hair, and I'm just gonna go in with a number 3 guard. Next, I will be using my cordless T outliner to make my first initial guideline. Right now I got my Wahl 5-star shavers, and I'm just going from stubble to bald. Now I will be going in lever open with my Babyliss clipper. Now I'm going to go lever middle, and then I'm going to be going lever close right after. Usually all through the method it's going to be lever open, middle, closed. Sometimes you're going to have to go back and do lever play, detail some of your work, just get those dark spots or those lines that just couldn't get out. Just, keep going, lever open first and then close until you get out that line. As you can see, I have my Slimline Pros just to knock off that tight line because my clippers weren't getting out that line. So sometimes you're going to have to go back and use your trimmers to get out that line just in case your clippers didn't. Right now I got my 1 guard open. Right now I got my half guard with the lever fully open. Now I got the lever to the middle, and I'm going right under the lever open. Now I have the lever fully closed, and I'm going to try to knock out that line. And if you can't knock out the line, I would suggest to just do lever open with no guard, and just slowly close your lever until you get that line out. See, as of right now, I'm just going in with no guard, lever to pointing to a little under the middle, and just kind of lever playing it, trying to get that dark line out. Also, using your corners is a very important part when you're getting into tight spaces and for detailing work. Right now I got my 1.5 guard open, and I'm just scooping out another inch. Right now I got my 1.5 guard set to the middle, and then I'm slowly just going to be closing it along the way. Right now I got my 1 guard with the lever a little under the middle, just scooping out. In some darker spots, I will be closing the lever and just lever playing it until I get that dark spot out. Now I put on my half guard and I'm going lever open, and then I'll slowly close it along the way just to get out that 1 guard close. Right now, I'm going to clip or over comb this bulk off and just have your comb at a 90-degree angle. You could use a 1 guard close, 1 guard open. I use lever open without no guard. Right now, I'm just prepping his hair so I can cut the top. I believe he wanted to inch off the top. Also, I did cut the other side. I didn't record it, but I did the same steps on the other side as well. Now, when cutting the top, usually I start from the front and I just make the guideline starting there, and then I just follow through to the back. Right now, I'm just gonna take down the baby hairs so I can do the front lineup. Right now, I'm just putting suavecito in his hair. Right now I got hair fibers and I'm just spraying a little bit on his hairline just to enhance it. Alright guys, that's the cut. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for watching the video.